Good morning, my dear students. Today I want to start types of set. So, first definitions is given empty set. A set does not contain any element is called an empty set, void set. It is denoted by phi and this curly bracket. Example is given x such that x is an even prime number greater than 2. It means if one set is given that and that set have no element, so that is empty set. In empty set, no element, that is set is given but no element is there. So that is empty set. You can give the example number of boys in the girls college. So that is number of boys is 0, means no elements are there. So that is also example of empty set. Number of natural number before 1, no natural number before 1, so that is also example of empty set. Next is given singleton set. A set consisting of a single element is called a singleton set. Examples are given to if one set have only one element, that is singleton set. Finite set, a set which empty or consists of definite number of elements is called a finite set. If you can count the number of elements in a set, that is finite set. Example is given A, B, C, D. We can count here 4 elements, so that is finite set. Cardinal elements. The number of distinct elements in a finite set A is called cardinal number of set A and it is denoted by an A. If one set is given, so how many elements are there? So that number of element is known as the cardinal elements. Infinite set, a set which consists of infinite number of elements is called an infinite set. If you can't count the number of elements in a set, so that is infinite set. Equivalent sets, two sets A and B are said to be equivalent if their cardinal numbers are same. If n A equal n B, if two sets are given and what is given equivalent set? If two sets A and B are said to be equivalent. Equivalent means number of elements are same. No need to number of elements. Elements is same. No need to elements are same. Number of elements are same. So that is equivalent sets. A equal 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal A, B, C, D. In both sets, number of elements are same. 4 elements is here. 4 elements are not same. So equivalent number of elements are same. Equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have exactly the same elements, and we write if A equal B. Otherwise, two sets are said to be unequal and we write A is not equal to B. If two sets is given and both have the same numbers, in both sets same numbers are given, so that is equal set, otherwise unequal. Thank you.